Before you begin, if you have a pre-lit tree, you'll want to be sure to test all the light bulbs work before assembling and fluffing your tree. Attach and test each section of tree and repeat these steps for each section of your tree. If you find any light bulbs burned out, replace them before continuing. Then completely unplug the lights when completed. Place the tree stand on the ground and attach the bottom section of your Christmas tree to the stand. With the main branches of the tree in place, starting in the back of the tree, pull back all the evergreen branches from the center of the tree to the front of the tree on all the main branches. Place them in an upward position to replicate growth of a real tree. Once the bottom section of the tree is filled out, attach the next section of the tree and repeat these steps for every remaining section of tree. Once the tree is fully assembled and filled out, you may notice holes in the tree. Manipulate the surrounding evergreen branches and posable main branches around the holes to fill them in. Once all the holes of the tree are filled, turn the end of the evergreen branches in an upward position to replicate real tree growth, and it makes it easier to hang ornaments on the tree.